Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 41 of Run the Year 2021, where we post every day for this year of our run. We're also going to post a quick workout, and today is actually day 10 of our 22-day challenge for a slimmer stomach. So today we're going to do the V-sit, which is more of a dynamic movement. It's the V-sit, and then we're going to move our hands left and right. And that's going to hit the transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor muscles, right? So, so with that, first of all, yeah, I got it today. First of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel, where it's all about it's all about motivation and inspiring people to get up and move their body, right? Let's move our body every day. It's amazing what it does, not only for our body, but for our psyche, for our brain. It just does something when you get up and move your body. So with that, we'll knock this out. Today's, what we're going to do is the V-sit. It's three sets of 20 reps, 10 seconds per rep, right? So we'll do three. We're going to do the first 10 with you guys, and then we're going to finish up. We're going to let you guys go, and then hopefully you'll get it in. All right, so here we go. And of course, Christmas forgot the timer, so that's okay. She's gonna go grab that. We'll get set up here. It's all good. So, and I think I'm sitting the wrong way anyway. This is the way. All right, so I'll be over here. And again, this truly is about moving the body. We already got. If you haven't done so, get your warm up in. Krista got her walk in. I think she got a little over 3.5, almost 4 miles. I did a 13.5 mile run this morning. So we got that, and we're moving along. We're chugging along. We're chugging along for our Run the Year 2021, where we're going to put at a minimum 2,021 miles in before the end of the year. All right. So with that, now that we have our timer.
So 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 10 chairs. 10 seconds.
Okay, so I should be here.
No, you're right there, just like we talked about.
I mean, okay.
Yeah. All right. So, whenever you're ready.
Okay, you want to demonstrate one?
That means. Okay, so
just a quick.
I'll demonstrate the V-sit, right? So we're going to be here, right, and then we're just going to move those hands, just like that.
Okay.
All right. So, that's one for me.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Here we go, and begin. Squeeze those abs. Not a big movement, just some movement. All right, squeeze those abs. That's one. Good job. Good job. And they're tough. They're tough. Here we go. Number 2. And begin. Oh, I think our timer is going to be fired after this one. Here we go.
That's it.
Oh, that's 2.
Okay,
Here we go.
I got it.
All right, here we go. And begin. Squeeze those abs. 3. Number 4. Begin. Four.
Woo.
Good job. Come on. You're doing awesome. Here we go. Number 5. Number 5. Here we go. Number 5. Hey guys, give her. Krista is working. Come on. Come on. 5 more, and then we can let them go, and they can.
That was 6.
Okay, 6. Here we go. Oh.
Is it 6?
Come on, here we go. All right, number 7.
We're on 7?
I thought
That
we were
was
on.
7. Really?
Let's go. What number? It doesn't matter.
Honestly, I think that was 7.
Okay.
When you roll it back, you will see.
All right, guys. When you look at the thing, you can look at it and tell us what we're on. So we're saying this is 8.
We're at
All
8.
right, this is 8. Let's knock 9 out. And begin. Good job, Krista. Good job. That's 10 or 9. One more.
You want to go 10?
One more, 10.
You said that's 10.
No. This is.
Okay, let's go.
All right, here we go. All right. All right. That's 10. We're halfway there. Hey, fam, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of Christmas. These are tough. These are really tough. But hey, get it in, make it work. If you're getting some value out of this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Give us a like. And if this is your first time here, or you're a returning viewer but you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do us a favor. Okay, guys, that's it. Get yours in. Remember, you got to do 20 reps, 10 seconds apiece for 3 sets. Okay. With that, invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow.